Resilience, revenue assurance, and e-commerce are top of mind in manufacturing companies. Direct-to-consumer channels, aftermarket services, and online ordering are crucial to competitive advantage. These valuable innovations can wreak havoc on invoicing and tax compliance. Thousands of SKUs must be properly classified and accurately mapped to tens of thousands of tax rules and rates across country, state, and local borders. Exemptions must be applied and tracked as tax incentives and credits proliferate. Compliance challenges arise whether you're selling or buying, and whether purchases are treated as CapEx or OpEx. Vertex mitigates manufacturers' tax compliance risks. We automate tax determination, calculation, reporting, and end-to-end visibility across order-to-cash and procure-to-pay. Our continually updated content for sales, use, and value-added tax covers compliance in North America, EMEA, APAC, Latin America, and Brazil. Let Vertex handle your compliance needs, so your tax teams can spend less time tracking down data and more time supporting growth.